Hi everyone, welcome back to the Frugal Watchbox channel for another exciting watch unboxing. Today we'll be unveiling another one of Casio's very affordable classic-style analog watches. Let's start by opening this parcel. Although there's no bubble wrap, the watch is protected by a thick and robust cardboard box. Let's open this sturdy box. There you have it, the contents of the box are now revealed. There's nothing else inside. Let's remove the protective plastic on the Casio watch box. This is the Renata CR 2016 battery that I ordered along with the watch. It's for my Casio A171W, which has run out of battery. There will be a video on how to change the battery later on. Now, let's get back to the highlight of this video, the watch. The box is in decent condition, apart from a few minor dents. Let's open it now. Here it is, the blue-dialed Casio securely packed in the box. Meanwhile, let's check the documentation, which is usually kept at the bottom of the box. Here is the user guide for various Casio watch models. We won't go into details about this guide. Next, we have the warranty card. Let's reveal this beauty. Wow, simply breathtaking. Let's remove the tag to see the full model number. Here we go, the Casio MTP-V006D-2B UDF, priced at only $18 excluding shipping fees. Let's check the dimensions of this lovely watch. The case dimension is about 38 millimeters. The lug-to-lug distance is about 45.1 millimeters. The thickness is about 9.4 millimeters. The lug width is about 20 millimeters, and the weight is approximately 93 grams. Let's examine the case. The crown is unsigned, but at this price, we wouldn't expect a signed crown. The case and bezel are likely chrome-plated. The crystal appears to be mineral glass. The overall design of the case is remarkable, with a classic touch. The dial is blue with Arabic numeral hour markers, suggesting a field watch style. Let's adjust the time to get a better look at the dial. On the inner dial, just below the white circle, are numbers from 05 to 60. The Casio logo is prominently placed just below the 60 numerals. At the 3 o'clock position are the day and date with a white background, and the date window is marked with white edges too. The water-resist imprint is placed just above the 30 numerals, and Japan movement is imprinted at the extreme bottom between the 6-hour marker. The water resistance of this watch is about 30 meters. The dial has a sunburst effect when exposed to light. The hands are silver when illuminated but may look like black in shadow. The hour and minute hands are sword-shaped except for the second hand, which is needle-shaped. Unfortunately, these hands are not loomed. The bracelet is stainless steel, not the best quality, but what would you expect for a budget watch? The feel is comfortable enough, so there's nothing to complain about. The links are folded but expertly crafted. There is a Casio logo on the clasp, with a few minor scratches. The bracelet has a bit of an oyster style. On one part of the bracelet, there are 4 removable links for sizing and 5 on the other. The caseback is stainless steel with the Casio logo in the middle and some imprints such as the model number and module number. Next, we'll compare this with other Casio analog watches. First, the MTP-V006D-2B with a white dial. Next, the larger and more expensive MTP-VD02. Finally, the blue-dialed MTP-V005. After sizing it to my exact wrist size of 6.5 inches, this is what's left of the bracelet. Let's try it on. The 38mm case fits perfectly on my small wrist. That's the end of the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe. See you again in the next one. Bye for now.